Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, it happened. I'm over 50,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I am so touched and happy that you all have responded so well to my videos and my channel and to me. This would not be possible without every one of you, and I love you all so much and appreciate the time that you take to comment, watch my videos, and give them a thumbs up. It means the world to me. So today is all about you, my subscribers, and I want to thank you so much for helping me reach this milestone. And I can't wait to keep growing even bigger, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I have a giveaway. It is a gift card to Hobby Lobby 1 in the poll that I took overwhelmingly, okay? So it's a $100 gift card to Hobby Lobby for one person, okay? And the giveaway is going to start today. It actually started this morning at 12 a.m. and it's going to stop April the 5th at 12 a.m. Now all times are on Central Time, okay? And there's a link in the description box. All you have to do, it's a RAFFLECOPTER link. Just click on it and do exactly what it tells you to do. Basically, you have to be a subscriber. You have to leave a comment on the video and give it a thumbs up. I didn't want to put a bunch of other requirements on it in case you didn't have an Instagram. I didn't want to leave anyone out. And this is even open internationally. I'm so happy. So just make sure that you leave your email address. It will ask for that because that's how I'm going to reach out to the winner so that I can get your address to send this wonderful $100 gift card to Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited for whoever wins. There's no way I could choose. I mean, I love you all. You're like dear friends and family. I couldn't choose and I wouldn't want to. So RAFFLECOPTER is just going to choose it for me, okay? So go ahead and enjoy, and I wish everyone good luck, and I hope whoever gets this has so much fun shopping at Hobby Lobby and spending their $100. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.